Morning traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So right now, DAX futures market is 7% off, 8,910 is where they're hovering. So pretty much back at the lows of Friday. Just get this 8.9, so it's even further down. We pretty much have hovering on lower than that. Okay, so we're roughly at the lows of last Thursday. So the Fed Reserve came out last night as the market opened and cut interest rates to zero. Emergency meeting, emergency rate cut, and the panic continues. So for me, I'm staying well away from this. There's no reason of trying to get in on this at the moment. You're just going to get yourself burnt in pretty much any which way it's going to go. So one thing that is concerning me is on the Dow, and more than likely here as well, is we have a flag and we have a flag break. So we have potential for a second move is pretty strong at this stage. And we're starting to talk about, move down to 7,800 area. So anyway, this is crazy at the moment. I mean, just watching how people are reacting to what's going on is just absolutely insane. So I think the safest bet right now is stay out of it. Don't get into this. Just let this thing settle, and it will settle eventually. It's probably still going to take the rest of this month before it actually settles. And when it does settle, then look at it. Look for your opportunities to get into this because it's going to offer some great value when it does settle. But for me at the moment, this is way too volatile, and you can't even blink, and price will move in a different direction. So I'm sitting on the sideline, not really interested in this. We'll wait this out. Basically, gonna quarantine myself from the markets and stay away from it for a while, and we'll see what happens at a later stage. Anyway, no, that doesn't help you much, but yeah, I'm not interested in losing a ton of money. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.